Hey Craz-E crew, I know y'all are ready for this one. It is time to get ready for the Dollar General clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. And we have 5 fun days of clearance coming up. So if you like this video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Now, if you are new to shopping the DG clearance events, I have an awesome how-to video where I go over all of the best tips and tricks and answer the most frequently asked questions. I have been sharing deals and posting videos about the Dollar General clearance events for years now, so I promise I will not steer you wrong. Now, another video that you guys might want to go and check out is this one right here that I'm showing you on your screen. In this video, I go over all of the new clearance markdowns, we talk about the penny list, plus the clearance event, all of the seasonal categories that are included, what percentage off those categories will be, plus you might find a cheat sheet or two in that video. Now, on top of this 5-day long clearance event, we're also going to have some really good sales going on. We're going to have a home sales event, we have a BOGO free sale, plus a toy sale. So for all of the details, go and check out that one video. Now, another thing that you might not be aware of, this clearance event is huge. So join me over on the second channel called Too Craz-E with Craz-E Coupons for even more hidden clearance deals and coupon matchups. Now, in this video, we're going to be focusing in on the laundry products because OMG, these items are going to be very, very hot ticket items and the shelves will be cleared. So you guys need to get prepared, start scoping out your stores, and make a game plan for first thing Friday morning because these items might not stick around until Saturday. In fact, a couple of my local stores are already sold completely out of all of these laundry products because as they were getting ready for this clearance event, they started putting the discontinued laundry products up front on a table. They even hung a sign saying 10% off, and people ate it up. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know why people are buying it at 10% off, but hopefully everybody can score huge this weekend and get these items at an additional 50% off or 70% off. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few deals that will be included. Up first, we do have a few Arm & Hammer laundry products included. And this week at Dollar General, we do have an instant savings for when you spend $20 on Arm & Hammer product, you're going to instantly save $5 at the register. So up first, we have a couple of these small 32.5 fluid ounce bottles of Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. These are currently $3.60. During the clearance event, they're going to be $1.80. Plus, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, making those completely free, plus giving you 20 cents in overage if you're at an old register store. Now, you guys let me know down in the comment section below, do you still have an old register in your area? Next, we have 2 of the giant Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents. Here we have the OxiClean Fresh Scent. And here in a second, you're going to see we have the Clean Burst scent as well. Now, these are going to be super, super cheap at $5.63. Use that 2-off-1 digital coupon, and you're going to pay $3.63 for this huge liquid laundry detergent. But if you can find a total of 4 of the large liquid laundry detergents, that's going to put you at $22.50. After the instant savings and that 2-off-1 digital coupon, you're paying $15.50 for all 4. Now, obviously, it's going to be cheaper just to pick up one and use that digital coupon. But if you plan on picking up multiples, this is the way to go. And keep in mind, you can mix and match depending on what your store has available. This is just a quick example. And if you missed it, I did go over some Arm & Hammer deals earlier this week over on the second channel. So I'll leave that video linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, next up, we're going to talk about Gain products. Up first with the Spring Daydream 76 count Gain Flings. These are going to be $8.98 during the clearance event. If you have this coupon on your account, that's going to leave you paying $7.93. We also have the large Waterfall Delight liquid laundry detergents at $8.53. If you have this coupon, that's going to leave you paying $7.48. Up next with the large Gain Odor Defense liquid laundry detergents at $8.53. If you have this coupon, you're going to pay $7.48. And then we also have the 154 fluid ounce bottles of the Gain Odor Defense liquid laundry detergents at $7.18. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.05. Up next are the Gain Flings Freshwater Sparkle 24 count for $3.37. With the coupon, you're going to pay $2.32. And then we also have the Freshwater Sparkle Liquid Laundry Detergent. Right now, these are $6.75. During the clearance event, they'll be $3.38. With the coupon, you're going to pay $2.32. Next up, with the Gain Original Scent Beads, 12.2 ounces. These are going to be $4.47 during the clearance event. If you have this coupon, you're going to pay $3.42. And up next, we have Tide products, which I'm really, really excited about because while we do get good deals on Tide products with our coupons, this is dirt cheap when it comes to picking up Tide. And I'm really happy that there's so many Tide products included in this clearance event. Now, keep in mind, things can change from day to day, so we could have more laundry products thrown into the mix. So it's going to be very important over the next week that you keep an eye on your notifications. Make sure that you're checking back with the YouTube channel. I'll also be posting on Facebook and Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, you might want to. Now, since we do have so many Gain and Tide laundry products included, we are going to talk about the P&G spin coupon. All of these laundry products should work with this P&G spin coupon, but as always, scan before you go up to the register just to double check. Now, I know this coupon confuses a lot of people, so here's a couple of quick tips. Number one, you need to have your subtotal at $20 before any coupons are applied. During the clearance event, you are going to go by that clearance price. So if you're at a 50% off store, you're going to go by that 50% off price. If you're at a 70% off store, you're going to go by the 70% off price. Make sure that you get your subtotal up to your spend amount. You might have a spend 20, a spend 30, or a spend 40. So again, you're going to take the clearance price and you're going to build your subtotal up to your spend amount. Now, if you have any manufacturer coupons, great, no problems whatsoever. If you have DG store coupons, those can throw a wrench into things, but lucky for us, I did not see any DG store coupons attaching to these products. Now, when you receive your coupon back on your account, it's going to show up as a clipped coupon already clipped to your account. Now, it might take it a minute to show up, but once you see that coupon on your account, I always check in the list feature under any item. It will show up there. If you see that coupon on your account, go ahead and use it ASAP, because if you leave it there and forget about it and accidentally type in your number, that coupon is going to apply to your next transaction. So you might receive the coupon and not even realize that you've already spent it. And one last thing on our P&G brand items, we do have a rebate right now on the pngoodeveryday.com website that will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And we are going to talk more about this in an upcoming video, so stick around and stay tuned for that. Next up, with the Lysol laundry sanitizers for $3.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. We also have the Purex scent beads for $1.63. Right now, we do have a $1 DG cashback offer, so that's going to make your final price 63 cents. We do have that same rebate right now on Ibotta, and also don't forget to scan in your receipts to fetch rewards. If you're not already signed up, I don't know what you're waiting on. It is the easiest rebate app out there. And right now we do have bonus points on Purex products and Snuggle products. Now, one last quick reminder before I let you all go. The deals that I'm showing you in my clearance event videos should automatically scan and ring up the additional 50 or 70% off during the clearance event. These are specific items. They are specific scents and they are specific sizes. We might have new items on the shelves that look very, very similar, but those will be ringing up full price. So it's going to be very important that you scan before you go up to the register. Make sure that you have your correct store location set in your Dollar General app, and the most important thing is to have fun. Now, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those for me down in the comment section below. And of course, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon.